Hi guys, welcome to this week's edition of Ask Ned. In this week, I'll be answering some of the questions that we were asked last week. Now, don't forget to ask us any question that you would love to ask in the comment section, or better still, you can send us a message and we will endeavor to answer your question next week. So let's get started. Now, the first question I would love to answer today is, how do I apply for graphic designing course and what is the total cost? Now, if you want to apply for graphic design training course with us at NEDI, all you have to do is visit our website nedi.com, and then you go under the courses section. You see graphic design training there in Lagos. Then you click that, you fill the form. That is all you need to do. Then from there you just follow the process, right? And another thing the person asked was, what is the total cost? Now, the total cost for the graphic design training is 150,000 naira. It's a 3-month training, 2 weeks of actual training, then the 3rd month is for mentorship. After that, you also have the opportunity to join our NEDI Alliance community, where you get to meet other like-minded and work together to attain the point of mastery in the act of graphic designing. And as well as you also get to join our workforce, where we have a team that will be helping you to look out for jobs and ensure that you are employed after the training, either a remote job, freelance job, or a full-time job, depending on what you want, right? This team of workforce will be working with you to ensure that you're employed and you start your career immediately after the training. Now let's get to the next question. The next question I have here is someone asking, what are the list of things I need to know into becoming a full stack developer? Now, this is a serious question. What are the list of things that you need to know to becoming a full stack developer? Number one, who is a full stack developer? A full stack developer is someone that can carry out the job of a UI UX designer, right? And that you can design UI UX. So for UI UX design, you just need to know any graphic design tool for UI design like Adobe XD or Figma or Sketch. Now, any of this particular software, you know how to do that, you'll find as a UX designer. Now, the next thing you need to know is front-end development. Now, for front-end development, there are 3 major things you need to know. You need to know HTML, you also need to know CSS, and you also need to know JavaScript. Now, JavaScript could be a whole lot. JavaScript could include vanilla JavaScript, CSS JavaScript, using of any other framework like React.js as well. Now, once you know front-end development, you can now move on to back-end development. Now, in back-end development, you want to learn any database like MySQL, SQL, or you want to learn Postgres, or you want to learn MongoDB. At the same time, you want to learn a back-end programming language like PHP. You could be using Laravel or CodeIgniter. You also want to learn stuff like, if you want to use JavaScript on your back end, you might want to learn Node.js, and you can use Express.js as your framework as well. Now, once you fully know UI UX design, you also know front-end development, and you also know back-end development, you're a full stack developer, right? Now, if you want to progress into mobile app development, you might choose to learn any of the cross-platform technologies that we have these days, like Ionic, React Native, or Flutter, right? So that's all you need to become a full stack developer. Now let's take a look at another question that we have here. So someone is also asking, my question is, can I come and do internship with you guys? The question there, the answer to this particular question is a yes and a no, right? Because our internship program is only open to our graduate, like the people who have gone through training with us, right? So we take internship. So if you want to actually intern with us, you might want to take a course with us. And if you take a course with us, then you can actually intern with us as well. So that's the question. These 3 questions are the questions I'll be answering this week. And don't forget, before you leave this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, ensure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell. Just click on that bell icon down there, turn it on, and ensure that you like this particular video. It just generally helps our engagement to ensure that YouTube keeps spreading this video, right? So give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to ask your question in the comments. Ask your question in the comments. We'll go through this question and ensure we answer it next week. Thank you for joining us.